In this session we shall see the design of a broad gauge railway track, in Project Workspace by running the tutorial example data. The main screen of Heads Rail is opened, we select Menu Item File, then select Working Folder. As the folder selection box comes, select folder WORK4 inside folder Work, on the desktop and click on OK to close. Next, we select Menu Item File, then select New Open Project Workspace, then select New Open Railway Track Design. As the Project Workspace opens, click on button Open Tutorial Example Data, the message comes confirming that example data is loaded successfully. Click on button OK to close it. Next, open the tab page Process Survey Data. Under this tab page there are 3 more tab pages. Currently the tab page is open for STEP1 ground model. Click on button Create Ground Model, the message comes confirming about that the ground model is created in the model files. Click on OK to close it. The feature strings are listed in the table. Click on the color box of a feature string. As the color selection box comes, select a color. Click on button Apply to All, the same color is applied to all feature strings. Click on button Draw, the ground model is drawn on the screen of CAD window. Next, open the tab page STEP2 Triangulation, all the feature strings are selected. Click on button Create Triangulation Model. The dialog box comes for the process. Click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes. Click on button OK to close it. Next, open the tab page STEP3 Contour. The string C001 is for contours at 1 meter increment. String C005 is for 5 meters increment. The text string for elevation values will be written at 5 meters increment. Click on button Create Contour Model. The dialog box comes and click on button Run. As the process is over, click on button Save at the top panel of the contour window. Click on button Quit to close the contour window. Click on button Draw Contour Model, and the contours are drawn on the ground model. Next, open the tab page Railway Design. It contains tab pages for STEP4 to Step 9 under this tab page for Railway Design. The currently open tab page is Process Halon Design Data, for the design of horizontal alignment of the railway track center line. Click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes informing about the design report. Click on OK to close it. Click on Finish to quit the process. Next, click on button View Halon Design. Select string M001. Click on OK. The string is drawn in the CAD window of THR Project Workspace. Click on button Shenage On. Select string M001. Click on button OK to display the shenages along the center line string M001. Click on button Details On. Select string M001. Click on button OK to display the details of horizontal intersection points, hips, and curves along the center line string M001. Next, open the tab page for Step 5 for the design of vertical profile of the railway track center line. Click on button Create Ground Long Section. As the process starts, the dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. The ground elevations are picked up by following the alignment of string M001. The ground long section string is stored in the model files as E001. The message comes informing about the same. Click on OK to close it. To process via line design data, click on button Proceed. As the process dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. As the process is over, the message comes. Click on OK to close it. Click on Finish to quit the process. This creates the design elevations in string M001, which was created by the design of horizontal alignment. Next, click on Draw Vertical Profile, select string M001, click on OK, the vertical alignment of string M001 is drawn. Click on button Grid On, this will display the grid in scale 1:10 for shenages to elevations. Click on button Vertical Details On, this will display details for vertical intersection points, VIPs, and vertical curves. Next, open the tab page for step 6, there are 3 more tab pages under this tab page. The currently open tab page is Define Cross-Section for creating the elevations of strings CL01 and CR01 the left, and right railway tracks, and strings CL02 and CR02 for the embankment edges influenced by cant or super elevations at horizontal curves. As the gauge of railway track is 1.676 meters, so distances of either side track from center line is 0.838 meters and embankment edges 1.838 meters, by providing either side shoulders of width 1.0 meter. Next, the tab page interface is opened, it is for creating embankment slopes on either side with slopes and berms. Next, the tab page Create Cross Section is opened and click on button Process Cross Section Data. The list comes to batch process 6 data files to create the embankment formation. Click on button Proceed. The process comes one after another, click on button Proceed. Then as the process is over, the message comes, click on OK, then click on button Finish, repeat the process for all 6 data files. As the batch processing is over, click on button Finish at the right side below the process list. The list of strings comes, click on button Draw Strings, the strings are drawn along the alignment of the rail track center line. Click on button for layers, swidth of survey strings, the drawing can be seen more clearly. Click on button Create Cross-Section Drawings, the cross-sections are created from start to end of the alignment of the railway track. By selecting a shenage, the respective cross-section can be seen. Next, open the tab page for step 7, here the data is there to compute the volume of earthwork to construct the embankment in cut and fill. Click on button Process Data, as the process starts the dialog box comes, click on button Proceed, as the process is over click on button OK to close it, click further on button Finish to quit the process. The table is created in the volume report and displayed with details of cut and fill quantities of earthwork. Next, open the tab page for step 8, there are 4 more tab pages under this tab page. The currently open tab page is Alignment Schematics, this will create schematic drawings first for horizontal and then for vertical alignments. Next, the tab page is for creating the plan drawing with the listed strings with respective data. Click on button Process Data, as the process starts click on button Proceed, as the process is over, the message comes, click on button OK to close it, click on button Finish to quit the process. Next, the tab page is for creating the profile drawing with the listed strings with respective data. Click on button Process Data, as the process starts click on button Proceed, as the process is over, the message comes, click on button OK to close it. Click on button Finish to quit the process. Next, the tab page is for creating the cross-section drawing. Click on button Process Data, as the process starts click on button Proceed, as the process is over, the message comes, click on button OK to close it, click on button Finish to quit the process. Next, open the tab page for step 9, click on button Create Update Project Data File. This updates and opens the final form of project data file. Click on button View Survey Data File, this opens the survey data file. Click on button View Report Files, this opens the various report files. Click on button View Drawings. This opens the various drawings with tabular details of design for the horizontal and vertical alignments, and also the drawings for plan, profile, and cross sections. This is the end of the current tutorial session. To understand the various data structure and the process, users are requested to view the main screen, help the manuals of heads rail. For any queries, please visit our website at www.techsoftglobal.com. Thank you.